Description: this moisture-rich conditioner prevents color fade while providing intense hydration without weighing hair down. Benefits: moisture-rich, prevents color fade, repairs damaged hair. Suggested use: massage conditioner through wet hair and scalp. Rinse thoroughly and repeat if necessary. Top reviews from the United States. Rainbow hair must have. One of the best conditioners for maintaining hair color. I've been getting rainbow hair for over a year now, and with the look and cost, maintenance is everything. I've done so much research on shampoo and conditioners to figure out which is best to prevent washout. So far this is it for me. There is hardly any color coming from me hair when I rinse, far less than any other aftercare products I've used. I could this with the shampoo and color lock spray and you're all set. It helps nourish dyed hair and rebuilds the bonds that were broken down during the process and smells great.